और मेरे साथ एक और खास मेहमान जुड़ चुके हैं, निर्मल जैन, जो कि चेयरपर्सन है इंडिया इन्फोलाइन के। निर्मल जी, शुक्रिया पहले तो कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए। इस बार के रिजल्ट्स ठीक ठाक रहे हैं ज्यादातर ब्रोकिंग हाउसेज के, और हमने देखा भी है कि स्पेस के अंदर भी वापस गतिविधियां बनती हुई दिखी हैं। मैं एक तो हाईलाइट्स जानना चाहता हूं और दूसरा आगे की रणनीति।
So we had a fairly decent quarter, I would say. Our income during the quarter was 787 crores, which is up 14% on quarter-over-quarter basis. Pre-tax profit was 125 crores this quarter, vis-a-vis 101 crores in last quarter, which is 24% quarter-over-quarter growth. And post-tax profits after minority interest had a 21% growth. So significant part of this growth was driven by financial product distribution business, which again is seasonal, and the fourth quarter of the financial year, I mean that was the just quarter that went by, is seasonally peak quarter, and I think that was the key driver of growth. Other than that, our NBFC business also had a steady growth. Our loan book grew by almost 10% during the quarter. Capital market or broking activities had a subdued quarter. I think volume started picking up only in the late March, so we can look forward to a much better quarter in the ongoing quarter.
जी, साथ ही मिस्टर जैन, आपको बैंकिंग लाइसेंस नहीं मिला है, लेकिन स्पेस में आरबीआई ने पूरा स्कोप भी खत्म नहीं है, क्योंकि आरबीआई ने यहाँ पर डिफरेंशियल लाइसेंसिंग या फिर टैप लाइसेंसिंग का ऑप्शन भी रखा है। क्या आप अप्लाई करेंगे आगे चलकर? Certainly, we'll wait for the policy and we'll find out what is the appropriate category of license for us. And even for universal licenses, RBI governor has indicated that they'll be virtually on tap. What that implies is that the window will open more often, and it is not that is open and shut and then for 10 years there are no licenses. So I think we'll wait for appropriate opportunity and we shall apply.
ठीक है जैन साहब, इस समय मार्केट से पूरी तरह से मोदी एज अ पीएम को डिस्काउंट कर ही रहा है। आप कैसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि एग्जिट पोल भी यही कहता है कि अगर एग्जिट पोल बिल्कुल ठीक रहते हैं तो सिर्फ ये फॉर्मेलिटी हो जाएगी। आप कैसे समझते हैं, आगे की रणनीति आपकी क्या है?
I mean, everybody knows that market has factored in Modi as next Prime Minister. Market has factored in that Modi will take reform-oriented and very pragmatic and decisive steps. So I think that is something which is more or less known. What market is now looking forward to is that what is the margin of victory, whether he gets a clear mandate or he gets much more than clear mandate, or he needs another ally, beyond NDA. So I think, and that will also determine that how strong his position will be in terms of taking decisions and moving forward. So I think that is what market is looking forward to on Friday.
ठीक है जैन साहब, शुक्रिया आपका कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए, बताने के लिए ये सभी कंपनी की खबरें भी और इस पूरे सेक्टर में भी क्या हो रहा है। लेकिन अब बात चुनावों से जुड़ी खबरों की।